welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Today we're off on our first adventure really. We're going down to Area 51 Cafe. Andy's first ride out in 6 months and the weather's getting a bit better, so why not? Stay tuned and enjoy the ride, boys and girls.
I only realised when I saw you putting them in that. Oh, I've got some in here. Oh. Bless you.
It's alright. Nice big thumbprint in my...
I didn't touch it. I didn't.
I don't care. I've eaten far worse.
I didn't.
That was Area 51 Cafe. It was a really nice little place. Apparently we do a bike meet there. What did I say? Third Monday of every month, so hope to see you all there. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.